Tape the copper pipe, drain hose, and electric wires together to make working with them easier. Use a wall corner slim duct. A level should be used to ensure proper installation. Measure the distance from the hole and cut the slim duct. Multiple duct pieces can be cut together if the inner sides are placed together. Attach the bottom part of the slim duct. This cover not only visually improves the duct system, it also helps prevent deterioration. Tape the ends of the drainage pipe. Wrap it from the bottom up to prevent water from entering. Attach the top cover. The cover is made to click into place when properly installed. Screw the cover into place. Use putty to close the hole in the wall. Attach the wall cover. Caulk around the wall cover to prevent water from entering.